Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I got be teaching us how to start our own online crypto cloud mining platform in just few minutes. And in this platform, we're gonna be learning how to build a crypto mining platform where people can actually get to invest and earn according to the hash rate plan that they actually went or they go about purchasing. Now, without much ado, now this is the same Bitcoin this is the same crypto cloud mining platform that we will be creating, or that I just want to show you how you can get your all started. So now this base cloud mining crypto platform, it's actually called the big cloud mining crypto cloud mining platform. That was what we actually get to call it this morning. And you can see coming down, you can see the first part you can see on this now is the hero section, and this section contains a bit part of the menu, the logo, and some designs. Here you can see the largest Bitcoin mining company, and you can start Bitcoin mining today right away. So you can see get started. And beyond that, now you can see a few reasons why people should choose this platform or why people should actually get started on this platform when it comes to them investing for them to actually earn some hash rate per that we actually give them some few bucks. Now you can see now the most trusted cryptocurrency platform. Yeah, if this is why you should choose us. Yeah, you can see these reasons are just what we add. You can actually get to add your own other reasons if you want to. And beyond that, also now you can just see a little write up about the cloud planning mining platform. And beyond that, now you can actually see the parts or the plan parts where users can actually select the plan they are going for by reason of using this platform. Then beyond that now is the frequently asked questions, the facts section, where you can see what is bit club and stuff like that. And a bit part of that you can click to actually have it opened. And then beyond it now, you can actually see the testimonial section where you get to see as many people have invested, the number of years of experience and stuff like that. And all of those things can actually be done directly from the back end. And down is the review section or the testimonial section of a few persons who have actually used this platform. All of this we actually coded at the back end, and you can actually add more and more and more and more and more and more of this review to the platform. And the list now is the footer section. The footer section here contains the logo, contains a bit part or a bit part idea of what this platform is all about. And lastly, also now it also contains the social media section, alright reserve and stuff like that. And here you can actually go to top directly. So this is the same platform that you can actually own. This is the same platform that you can actually get started in just few minutes, or you can actually get running as your own BitCloud cloud mining platform. Now, the next now we'll do now at this time now is just for us to actually get to log in. Now we'll try to log into the admin back end so that you can actually get to see what it looks like at the back end and how you can go about customization of the settings, effecting of some changes and adding of some features you feel you actually want to add on the same BitCloud mining crypto platform. So without much ado, for us to actually log into the back end, I just have to copy this. Then when I get to copy, then I open a new tab and paste it, then paste and type slash admin to it because I'm trying to log in as the admin. And immediately now the admin dashboard gets to open. The reason is because I've actually logged in on the same platform. So that's the reason why you possibly did not get to see how the admin actually gets to look like, but I could actually show you how to go about that. So this is just a demo. So this is not a live crypto cloud mining platform. It's just a demo to actually explain and show you how easy and how possible it is for you to start your own crypto cloud mining platform. Instead of investing huge sum of money at some cloud mining platform, you can actually get it all started by your own self, making your own money, having it as your own business, and running it with great amount of what is. So let me actually log out and log in so that you get to see how the admin interface looks like. So this is the admin interface. So I will possibly get to type my own password, and that I just did now. Then I can just log in. Remember I said this is a demo, so all of these ideas don't actually exist. At the end of this video, I gotta be crashing this demo because I only made this demo to show you how easy and how simple it is for you to start your own online crypto cloud mining platform. So this is the back end, and the back end is where you actually control the front end. So this part you can see is actually the front end, and all of this effect and all of those things you can see at this front end actually takes effect from the back end. So the first thing you can see here, you can get to see my account section, so account information, where you can actually update your password, where you can actually get to change your password. Then the next is the dashboard. The dashboard is what shows you the interface of the general activities that goes on the front end. So you can see the number of users, support tickets, platform review, and stuff like that. The next is the transfer. Now the transfer log shows you the total number of people who have actually done transfers on the platform, like moving their money from this platform or from their own wallet down to their own bank account. So you can actually have a full log of all of those people. Now on that also, now we, because the system also comes with referral earnings, you can see as many people that have referred. Still don't forget that when we went to down to the payment plans or the plans platform, you can see the referrals 2%. So as many who has actually subscribed to any of those packages, now when people get to use a referral link to register on this platform, they get to have some referral earnings. So all of that gets to reflect here. Now the next is user management. In the user management, where we have the client account. So on the client account, you can see all the total number of people who have registered on your platform or that are registered on this platform. Support ticket, you see as the number of people who have raised tickets, whether for complaints and whatsoever and whatsoever and whatsoever. So we get to see all of that there. And promotional emails, maybe like subscribe emails and some mails you want to send to some persons or send to users of the same platform. And lastly, also the account information as well. Though we have seen that earlier before at this part where you can actually update your password, you can even change your username and stuff like that. So now going down beyond that, now you can see the investment. Here's where you create your plan. You can see currently at the moment we actually have three plans: the starter pack, the premium pack, the gold pack. So coming down, you can actually create your own plan. You can create your own plan, set your own daily percentage, set your minimum amount for investment in B2C, set the maximum amount in investment for B2C, how much is the percentage on upgrade, what is the duration. You can either do that per day, weekly, monthly, or yearly, depending on whatever scope you are seeking to actually achieve. Now you can equally set your own referral percentage, just like you can see now on this starter pack. You can see the price of B2C, you can see the duration, the referral earning, the hash rate, and stuff like that. So we can actually get to see all of that: the hash rate, the period of duration, and you can see the minimum amount of investment, the daily percentage. You can name it whatever name you want to name it, and you can actually add a file to that by just clicking on choose file. And beyond that, also now still on that same investment, now you can see existing plans you have created. So all the plans you have created on the platform actually comes here, and you can actually edit, you can actually delete, you can actually deactivate, you can make a plan active or inactive. For instance, now I want to edit the starter pack, and let's get to call it the basic pack. So this is now the basic pack. I can decide to make it active or deactivate it so that it will not get shown on the front end. And when I get to submit or when I get to update it, you get to find out that the starter pack has actually changed to basic pack. So when I get to refresh my own front end, you get to see now the effect I just made now, it's actually now visible on the front end. So you can see now we now have basic pack, unlike when we were having the starter pack. So that is that for that now. Then you can see the total number of people who have completed their own payment or who have completed, who have achieved a certain percentage of what you set on daily percentage and stuff like that. And still on that same platform, you can see people who are still having pending deposit and stuff like that. Now the deposit system here is where you can set your payment gateways, how you want to take payment from them. And those payment gateways, we have all payment gateways, including crypto gateways on this platform. So when you intend to start yours now, whichever payment gateway you want, even if they are not available as per the time of the coding of the script, we can actually add that to you. So here's a payment gateway. So you can see a list of payment gateways with which you can use to take payment from your client. You can see the coin payments, B2C, the Flutter Wave, the blockchain, and all of those payment gateways. And we can add more and more and more for you depending on your own choice. Now, here you can see the pending deposit. Those people who have actually made attempt to deposit but have not made payment can see the approved deposit. Those who have actually transferred the number of BTCs or in the planned BTC plan to whichever account that the admin gets to run for this process. The next is the withdrawal system. Here is the log. You can see unpaid withdrawal. People are actually due for withdrawal but have not withdrew. People, here you can see the approved withdrawal. People who have actually placed a withdrawal request and it has been approved for them to actually get to withdraw. You can see decline withdrawal, people who actually placed requests but their requests were never granted. The next is a new section. The new section is the blog section. These are just categories that were created on the platform. So here's a blog, you can see there's a category, company engineering and stuff like that. Now here is where you see the category. The categories I just showed you there now. So these are the categories, and you can actually add more categories Let's take for instance, you want to create a category called crypto. You can just do that and click submit, and you get to find out that that will now be found in your own blog category. So if we get to refresh now, so this is our category now. So on the same category now, you can actually add wherever you want to add. So it is the creator we just added and stuff like that. So let's get back. So the next now on this now is the new post. You can actually add a new blog post. So what's the title of your post? What category do you want it to fall into? Crypto. Choose a file, thumbnail file for it. Add your blog content and just click submit, and all of that will show on the dashboard. Sorry, on the front end. And yeah, the articles here are all the blog posts that you have actually published, and you can decide to unpublish a blog post. You can edit, you can delete and stuff like that. And lastly now is the web control. Now the web control is actually where you get to control the entirety of the front end. When you click on home page here, you can actually do settings to the home page. For instance, now on this home page now, let me get to go to the hero section. Now this right, the largest Bitcoin mining company, you can actually have it change with great amount of ease. Here is it here. Change it to whatever name you want to call it. Start Bitcoin mining today. You can say start crypto mining. So let's call it largest crypto mining. So this largest crypto mining, and we also score here start crypto mining today. So when I get to submit and I get to refresh my home page, now you get to see that when I refresh the front end, now a bit part of those changes have actually was taken place. So you can see largest crypto mining company start crypto mining today. So with this now, you can actually do whatever changes you feel you want to do to your home page. You can change all of this. You can change this right up, build your songs without even trying. On the fag, this is the review and the testimonial section. You can sorry and the a kind of a progress bar section, so you can actually have it all changed, and you can change whatever you want to change because you're at liberty. You can change your logo and favicon. Now the logo, the favicon, you can see there's a favicon here, and there's the logo on the site now. So you can see this is the logo. So you can actually have all of that changes wherever image you want. And still on that same web control, platform review. Platform review are just the testimonial, so you can actually change them and you can create new review. So you can see create a new review, name, occupation, what's the person saying, choose the person's image and stuff like that. And when you get to go down now, here's where you get to have that those platform reviews. So these are the review section. You can see Jack Mail, Micah Pete, and stuff like that. So Jack Mail, Micah Pete. So beyond this, also now the services we render on this platform, you can actually edit them and you can create more services. You can see one is account privacy. So when you get to go up, I think that comes immediately after that hero section. So you can see industry best practices, secure storage, account privacy. So you can actually get to see all of that now. Industry best practice, secure storage, account privacy. So you can actually get to edit the front end with great amount of ease. Now the web pages, maybe you want to create more pages like the home page, you want to create pages like contact us page, and any of the pages you want to create, you can create more of those pages. And beyond that, also now your currencies, what are the currencies you accept? So you can actually get to select them. We have all the currencies on the world fully crafted for you, so you can decide to make one active and make others unactive and leave them in pending mode. Now your facts, here's where you get to add the facts. So now when we talk about facts, these are the facts actually what is Bit Club. So you can actually get to edit your own informations and what is Bit Club and stuff like that. You can click here to edit or delete that fact and stuff like that. So beyond that, also now we now have the about us section. So the about us is where you write about your company and stuff like that, or date about us. So you can just change this right up, write wherever you feel like writing, click submit, and when people go to about us, now, where do we get this about us now? Then they'll get to see the write up you must have put in about yourself and about the crypto cloud man. So you can say it here. So let's get back to home now. Now we are back to our homepage, it's still loading and stuff like that. Now, lastly, now on that same platform, now your social links. So social links is where you add all of your social medias accounts platform, like all the social media platform the agency or the Bitcoin cloud or the crypto cloud mining platform belongs. So you can say the Facebook, the Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. You can actually get to add all of that here. We have YouTube, Skype, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. So with this now, I'll be bringing this video to a close. So you can see starting your own online Bitcoin or crypto cloud mining platform is very, very simple. In just few steps, you can actually get it all started. no paperwork, no any form of stuffs required and stuff like that. And if you want to request some information from your customers like KYC and stuff like that, we can actually get it to integrate that. So thanks for watching. I do seek for your indulgence. I do it to subscribe to this channel so that you can actually get to have some freebies from us every time we get to post our videos, and when you are going to possibly coming to patronize us. And don't forget to also smash the bell icon so that whenever we drop any new content, you can actually get yourself notified. And still don't forget to follow us on our social media. And if you're also interested in starting your own online crypto mining or crypto cloud mining platform, you can contact us via our social medias, via on WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram. And you can also get to do that also by visiting our website and actually requesting a quote. So this is our website. Our website is harvardvalleysolutions.top. And when you get to our website, you can easily get to request a quote. So this is the website about Valley Solutions. So you get there and just come to get quote. So you fill in your name, select whatever your name, put in your WhatsApp contact, your email, choose solutions. Then for this platform we just create today, our crypto mining cloud platform. So you can just click cryptocurrency solutions, then you click submit, and immediately in will get to respond to you and pick it up with you on that. And if you are coming from our YouTube, if you are a member of our YouTube subscriber, you stand a better chance of getting 50% coupon discount code at time of purchase. All you need to do is just for you to state that you are a subscriber on our platform, then we'll possibly get to send you the coupon code to your mail or to whatever means with which you use to identify with us so that you can enjoy 50% discount coupon code from us. So thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks everyone for taking it this far to actually watch this video. To a pretty much extent, we are grateful. We say big thanks to you. And we'll be more grateful if you get to subscribe to this channel and you get to smash the bell icon, and you also get follows on our social media handles, and you could possibly drop your comments below. Certainly I'll get to respond, or we'll get to respond to all of them. Do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.